In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete services on Booksy. If you've been managing your services on this platform and need to clean up or update your offerings, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through this straightforward process step by step. First, you need to navigate to the Booksy business website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Booksy Business. Once you arrive at the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the login button. Click on this button to access your account. After logging in, you should land on your home page. Focus your attention on the left sidebar. This is where you'll find all the navigational tools you need within the platform. Look for the option labeled Business Settings and click on it. This section contains various configuration options for managing your business within Booksy. Within the Business Settings menu, search for the option called Services Setup. This is where you'll manage all the services you offer. Click on it to proceed to the next step. In Services Setup, you'll see a list of all your current services and combo services. These are the options your clients can currently book. Now, you need to decide which service you wish to remove from your list. Scroll through your services until you find the one you want to delete. Click on that specific service to open its details. Once the service details page is open, look to the top of the screen for a small trash icon. This is the icon you'll use to delete the service. Click on the trash icon and you'll be prompted to confirm your decision to delete the service. This step is crucial to prevent accidental deletions. Take a moment to ensure that you're deleting the correct service, and when you're ready, click on delete to permanently remove it from your list. Finally, it's important to double check your work. Go back and review your list of services to ensure that the correct item has been successfully deleted. You'll want to make sure the service no longer appears on the client booking interface, confirming its removal from your offerings, and that's it. You've successfully deleted a service on Booksy. Remember, keeping your service list up to date is crucial for maintaining a clear and efficient booking system for your clients. Thanks for following along, and if you have any more questions about managing your Booksy account, feel free to leave a comment below.